we will move to the this particular part. Okay, collar pin we will make it. Okay, so before that we will save this. Go to file, save, and here fork. I'm going to save this. Okay, now this is done. Now for our next part, I will go to start mechanical design, part design, and here it is not a bit pin and collar. So I will make collar and pin. We have to make it separate. Okay. So this is collar. So I will select this plane. I will go here and I will draw the circle here. Okay, you can also use rotate option also you can use. So here I will show how to use the rotate option. Okay. So for that I will draw a rectangle. Okay. And I'm going to revolve this about this particular center or center line. So total is 30. So I'll give the dimension here. This is 15. Okay. Now the length is given 185. I'm giving the length here. So this total length is 185. So here I will give 185. This much distance is 185. So it is fine. So I'll give 185. This is 185. Okay. Now exit workbench. And I'm going to revolve this around this particular axis. For that, you can use the shaft option. So this is your shaft option, and you can mention which axis. The axis you have to select and click OK. Now you can see the same thing is generated. लैपटॉप है आपके पास लैपटॉप भी मेरा सिस्टम में नहीं है मेरा इसमें है हार्ड डिस्क हाँ Okay, now this pin is generated. I have made it from here to here. I have made. Now I have to make the top session. So here I am going to make the top session. Okay, so if you want, you can also make this symmetrical or whatever you want. Okay, so right now I am going with this. So I am going to select this side. I am going to again sketch. I want to sketch at this particular plane. So I will go with the circle again center. Okay, and this diameter I have to use total diameter is 50. So I am giving this is 50. Okay, exit workbench and I have to pad this. So for padding I will go to pad and this distance is 10. I am giving 10. Okay, now this part is done. Okay, now here you can see here is actually a nut like uh, the nut and pin is there. Okay, so I will separately make it. Okay, it is not like a single thing. Here there is a washer and there is a pin which is inserted. So that is another part. So here this I will give, go to save and save it as collar. Okay, so this I will give it as collar. Okay. So this is my collar and now I have to make the washer. So for that I will go to start mechanic design part design and I will give a washer. So here I will go and make it quickly. Okay, so here I will go to circle. Okay. And the washer diameter is given which is 50. So I'll give this 50. Okay. And the interior diameter is also we know the interior diameter is 30. So I'll give 30. This is 30. Okay. Exit workbench, and I'm going to pad this. So if I'm going to pad, you can see, can give the distance. So I'm giving the distance is 10. So this is I'm giving 10. Okay. And I'm giving mirror distance for another reason. I'm giving mirror extent. So for a mirror distance, it is 5. Okay. So this is my total distance of 5. Now I want to make a hole here. So for that, I will select this particular plane, which is at the center, as you can see. Okay. And I will draw a drawing there. And the hole size is not mentioned, but again, I will give the hole a particular size, which is given actually diameter of 5. So I will give a diameter of 5. Okay, and I will make this coincide with this pin, coincide with this particular 000 coincide. Okay, so this is the hole. So exit workbench, and again this is my sketch. I want to extrude or a pocket in this direction and this direction. So go to pocket, and I am going to, I have to give the dimension. So it is only one direction it is going. Okay, so dimension I will give. So I will give a mirrored extent both side. So total 55, I think, whatever which was even, I'm not sure. So you can give this particular dimension, which is actually 50, right? So 25 you can give. So it will be, a hole will be generated. So this is the hole. So this I am going to save, file, save. This is my washer. So already saved. Now I have to make this particular pin. Okay, so for that you can see a pin is there. Okay, here a pin is there. I will make that particular pin as well. Go to start mechanical design, giving pin. Okay, okay, and the diameter of the pin is 5. So I will go with circle at center. This diameter is 5. Okay, exit workbench, and I'm going to extrude this. Okay, I'm going to extrude this. The total distance I'm giving it here, and I'm giving slightly above 50. So I will give 55. Okay, 55 I'm giving. That is a dimension. Okay, now the pin is also ready. Save. Okay, this is pin. Now all the parts required for this particular universal joint is made. Now we have to assemble these things out. So now we will look how to assemble these things.